Hello everybody, welcome back to my Lucky Super Egg. Now, you've probably just watched my intro, and I think it's a different one to what you've maybe seen before on this channel. Now, like many people, you may be wondering how I, among lots of other YouTubers, can make these types of intros. Well, let me let you in on a little secret. We don't. So, today I'm going to show you how you cannot make your intro that you can use. Okay, let's get started. Now, first we're here on Google with the new flashy wallpaper, and we're going to type up P to the A. Okay, look, already. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna type in Panzoid. Okay, there's a long story behind this. My mom is calling me. Okay guys, so you're not going to believe what my mom just called me for. She asked me to turn the fan in her room to speed 1 because she couldn't get out of bed to do it herself. So now I've just wasted about a minute of my recording time doing that. Okay, so we're going to type in Panzoid, and then we'll go to panzoid.com, and here you see all of this stuff. So I'm also going to search up my Lucky Super Egg. Okay, so now as you see, I take up the whole front page, but obviously we're going to go to my Lucky Super Egg YouTube. Now here, 45? No, it's actually 46. Guys, we're getting so many subscribers. Of course, we've got to know what we're doing on this fine day. So, yeah, we're gonna go straight to Panzoid. Now, we go to Panzoid. But if you went to... If you went here, you could go straight to here. If you open this in Clip Maker, you could do the intro. So it will come up like this, and then I will have to press play. Now, you may be thinking, what? That was absolutely horrible. Well, that's because you have to go into this toggle render preview. So this is going to show you what your viewer is going to see. So, now, and that's what you get. Now, how do you change the text? Well, I'm going to show you. It's the same for every single one. And yeah. So now if I go on to here, home, more creations. So click more creations and just go intro. And then find one you like. You can literally just keep searching and you can find pretty much any fitting intro. Say you wanted an end screen. You could have stuff like this, these templates, so you could put your videos at the end. And if you watch my how to add an end screen, then it's simple, super simple to add these things. I made a tutorial on how to add an end screen. So yeah, it's not going to be any problem for someone like you to create your YouTube channel. So now we're going to go with this one. It says don't use, and it's again this. Well, let's use it then because it tells me not to use it. Hopefully this is a good idea. Okay everybody, I would just like to recommend to you, this is past me or editor Josh, that you turn down the volume of your intro, whatever it is, and use a NCS song or a song from the Fat Rat or something, because these songs are not always copyright free. So that song you just heard was actually not the song that was actually being played. Okay, so I was looking for an intro for about 10 to 15 minutes, and honestly, sometimes you just have to keep looking, because not all of them are really good. But eventually you will find a good intro, I promise you that. I did have to look around, there was some trolls, but I'm just saying it took a little while before I found one that I actually liked. And I didn't want to show those because I want to make this video as short as possible. Okay guys, I should probably add a disclaimer. You're going to have to spend a while looking for a good intro. It depends. Okay, this intro is actually good. Okay. So now, what do? Well, we go to this little box and we see group name text. Now, this is what we want to change. We want to call it your channel name. Now, the problem with my channel name is that it's long. So, you want to have your text in there, and you want to put your channel name in there, or if not, whatever you were going to do it. So, as you can see, it's got this thing here, but you don't need this, okay? You don't need this thing. Now you could just delete it, but I'd recommend keeping it, and then in your own editing software, just removing it. Okay, so what you're actually going to want to do also is, if you have a long name like mine, you're going to want to change the height and the thickness. So sometimes it won't actually fit in the whole screen, and you're going to need to do this for every part of the text. You're going to want to change it and just play around with it, and sometimes some parts of the text just won't look good with it, so you might need to either use a different intro or just delete that part of the text. Okay, so we're going to change this to 4 because we want it smaller than the other one, and you can't do like 0.5. The reason I realize it takes so long is just because it's trying to change the whole entire clip. So it's not because of your computer or anything. Yes! There we go! Woo! Now that looks cool. So, we are going to not download it. Wait, are we? Yes, we are. Okay, I lied. We are going to download it. So, mode balanced. So usually I did it on extreme quality, and it could take almost up to half an hour. But here, let's just do fastest render just for the sake of the thing, and we're going to do it on MKV, but you could do it on WebM. And the reason you want to do this and not save it is because it will make it into a PZ or PNZ or something, which is a Panzoid file. It can only Panzoid really works with it. So what you want to do is you want to download it as either MKV or WebM, and then you want to start the video render. And I will tell you what to do after that. Okay guys, so now it's been downloaded. We are going to download your video. So what this is going to do is basically put your video on your computer, and you see already it's there, video to MKV. Now I did use the fastest download I did use fastest download, so maybe it will differ if you use extreme quality, which I do on my regular intro. Now, so I'm just going to rename this to something I can remember, even though I don't need to, because, yeah, I just don't need to. So it's going to be intro for vid. Yeah. And then, thing is, we can't put this thing into iMovie. You see, it doesn't even let me. So if we put it there, it's just going to die. So we want to do something else to make it into this MP4. You see that? This is an NKV. It's just a different way that the file is stored. And basically, we are going to use another online tool. So we're going to go to Cloud Convert. It doesn't actually have to be Cloud Convert. But what we are going to do is go to MKV to Mp4 Converter online. Any of these will work. And the most popular one is Cloud Convert. Now I'm going to wait until my recording finishes so I can start a new one and be fresh and do this whole thing in hopefully less than 5 minutes. Okay, everybody, so we're back again, and we are going to go here to Cloud Convert. It's the top one, and it's fine. So there's loads, but Cloud Convert. So yeah, we're going to go to convert MKV to MP4. So select file from my computer or by VRL. I called it intro for vid MKV. Okay, so now I've pressed intro for vid MKV and I'm going to convert it to MP4. Now, I'm going to press convert and you could add more files and you have like a limited number, but you don't need that many. And I've only visited it last month, so I haven't used it. I've only posted 2 videos since then, though. So yeah, you can just use it, maybe use an alt account or something. But don't worry about what I'm saying. Okay, it's fine. Just you keep using it and it will work for you. So, I'm finished this intro and it's this whole file here. This is what it's downloaded. So, I actually really like this intro and I want to know, should I use this instead of the other one? Who knows? Maybe. Because I actually really like this intro. I'm glad I found it. So I want you to comment down below which one I should use. Am I downloading it? Yes, we are. See, now we have intro for vid MP4. Okay. So we're gonna put it on here, and now you see it didn't go away. It's here, finally, on our place. So that is how you get an intro on your videos. Hello everybody, this is just me wanting to thank you for reaching the end of this video. Yes. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, why not leave a like and comment any of your ideas or suggestions down below. And while you're at it, you may as well subscribe to help grow this channel. Thank you for watching once again. Now I will play the intro as the outro one more time and I'll see you later. Goodbye.